Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Uh, to all Mr. and Mrs., thank you for all the good attention. Please allow us to present the result of our project that we've done. Okay. First of all, we take the topic is about the solar panel performance monitoring system used an Allegro current sensor 712, current sensor and voltage-based sensor using Internet of Things. We take them is about emerging technologies, and this work and our project is worked by Farhan Wadiri. It's me as a group leader, Farhan Fadil Irsan, and Tegar and Muhammad Iqbal. The next explanation is going to explain by Tegar. For Tegar, time is yours.
Okay, thank you. I'm here want to explain about a problem statement. We realize the utilization of the sun in Indonesia as energy source has not been utilized maximally. Solar energy can be used as a source of energy in solar power plants (PLTS). The current use of PLTS is mainly monitored only manually by using measuring instrument and recording manually directly to find out how much power capacity from the battery can still be used every time. One of development in science and technology is the Internet of Things IoT. IoT defined as a network of objects embedded with sensor and connected to the Internet. We use monitoring development using IoT concepts so that monitoring on PV mini grid can be monitored only by few web pages. In addition, the resulting display is easy analyzed because the show can be in the form of a graph. The objective of this project is to design a PV mini grid monitoring tool using a microcontroller based on the Internet of Things, so that the monitoring process can be done anywhere only and does not require users to go to the PLTS location directly.
Okay, thanks to Tegar for the explanation. Okay, the next is about wearing different device for monitoring photovoltaic. I'm gonna explain about it. And this is the picture of our project. So there's a photovoltaic and a laptop for serial monitor by the microcontroller, and there's a lot of fan DC and a lot more. Okay, next is about we use the Arduino code. First of all, we use the kind of tool that and Arduino and ESP8266, that the kind of microcontroller that we use. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna explain the Arduino code. So this is the header of the Arduino code. We use the software serial because we use the UART serial communication on the between Arduino and ESP8266. So this include HCS, ACS 712XX.h. Header is about to the library of the current sensor, and the void setup is about looping only once. So this the function of float offset is gonna read the ACS 712 in the output later. Okay, this is the void loop is gonna looping the sensor. It's gonna looping the code, and this is the code of ESP8266. This one is define blink. This header is about the application or the dashboard that we use. We use the blink application. So this is the header that we need to input the Arduino IDE to use the code. So it has like include ESP8266 Wi-Fi.h. This header is about the library of the ESP. Hashtag include blink simple. This header is library of the blink application. So share authentication. This is the unit to authentication of the Link app. Share SSID. This is the Wi-Fi that we use. The share pass is this the password of the Wi-Fi that we use. So this is the integer float, integer analog input, integer float p out, float p in. This is the code that header for the variable that used in the code that relate to the sensor. So this void setup is the looping only once. Void loop is looping every time that we run the program. So blink.run is gonna call back the blink function. Timer run is gonna call back the timer run function. String a is the code that we transfer data from the UART serial communication from the Arduino. We take the data we change data from the integer or float into string, and we change it again to integer and float. So this is the what serial print.i. We print the output from the sensor. Then the serial print gonna print the output from the sensor. Then it's gonna show on the serial monitor by Arduino IDE and Arduino IDE. And this one, the last one, blink virtual right? VO V0 comma V in is about the code is about gonna show the output on the blink app, and the delay is about 0.5 second. Okay, the explanation of the device is gonna explained by Farhan. For Farhan, time is yours.
On the device, there is an ESP8266, which is connected to Arduino microcontroller, and there is this voltage and current sensor SCS712, which measure and the connected circuit on a fan slot. There are smartphones that are used as monitoring media in the Blink application, and also so the laptops to process the software. And then a solar panel as the source of the circuit. The solar panel are connected directly to the circuit. Between Arduino and ESP8266, we use communication serial UART. As you can see, the Arduino we use a pin to connect the ESP8266, the RX and TX pin. And when connected, it can be seen the fan is moving. After the circuit, the fan is moving, and the monitoring system can be seen as follow on the stop on the monitoring laptop. We can measure the voltage is 9.40, and the Blink application of smartphone, we can see voltage on 9.14 and current on 0.14 volt. And when measure using multimeter, a voltage of 9.9 volt. Okay, thank you.
Thank you to Farhan for the explanation of the device that we made. Okay, for the last is about the conclusion. Please, Iqbal, explain the conclusion of the project that we've made. For the Iqbal, time is yours.
Okay, for this part, I'm Iqbal. I will explain the conclusion. As conclusion, we can save time and cost by using this simple monitoring equipment. For the result of the current sensor and change of the two influence on the room temperature based on the existing data sheet. If the room temperature reaches 25 degrees Celsius, then the sensitivity becomes 1.5%. And if the room temperature is between minus 45 degrees to 85 degrees, the sensitivity becomes 5.5%. You can save the cost by using simple monitoring equipment. For the next speaker, I will return for my leader, Manon.
Okay, thank you to Iqbal for the conclusion. Maybe this is the project that we've done. Thank you for all the good intention to all ladies and gentlemen. Sorry that we the mistake that we made. Okay, and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.